about to blow your mind with a twist. Hit the lights, here I go, go, go. I make the rules, I run the show. Get ready, get ready, get ready for it. Get ready. I'm in my new era. I'm better in my new era. I'm better in my new era. New era.
Hello, Bea. Happy birthday. Thankful ako na naging kapatid kita. Thank you kasi tinutulungan mo ako sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko kaya. Thank you kasi pinapakinggan mo ako sa mga kwento ko sa buhay. Yun lang. And God bless you. And sana matupad mo lahat. New era. Stepping into the new era.
Kaya ate, happy birthday. This is your day. Enjoy it and the next day, sa totoo mong birthday, dun ka mag-enjoy lalo kasi ayun yung totoo mong birthday.
I'm about to flip the script, flip the switch, magic trick, watch this, watch this. I'm about to make you trip, make you glitch.
Happy birthday, Ate Bea. I wish you enjoy and I wish you the best. I love you, Ate.
Bea, anak, happy birthday sa iyong kaarawan. Ang wish ko, sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo, matupad mo. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung kabaitan mo, pagmamahalang ng inyong magkakapatid, na magandang samahan natin. Sana hanggang sa kami ay tumanda at magkaroon kayo ng sarili-sariling pamilya ay maging maganda ang samahan ninyong magkakapatid. I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are all gathered here tonight to witness the transformation of a young girl to a beautiful lady. We are very lucky for we are all chosen to be here and be part of this momentous occasion in the debutante's life. You see her grow up, you see her smile, you see her laugh, you see her everything. And now, you are about to see her as a grown-up lady. A lady of good heart, character, and ambition. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and family of the debutante, please all welcome and give a round of applause to Miss Bernadette Arabella Barbosa.
Happy birthday, Bea! Ang wish ko para sa'yo, maging success ka sa buhay mo. Happy birthday, Bea!
Anak, happy birthday to you. I hope na maging happy ka today and for sure, happy ka. Ang wish ni Ma'am sa'yo is ma-receive mo lahat ng mga dreams and yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay is makamtam mo. And always chase your dream, anak. Andito si Mami to support you. Alam mo yan. Mami is always here for you. Daddy is always here for you. Kuya and El is always here for you. So, continue mo lang kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo and lagi lang kami nakasupport sa'yo. Always remember that mahal na mahal ka namin and we'll always here to support you. I love you, anak. Happy birthday, anak.
I love you.